So far we have done 4 kinds of adverbs. Now we are going into the 5th kind of adverb is adverbs of degree or quantity. That's the 5th kind. Adverbs of degree or quantity. Adverbs of degree or quantity. Degree or quantity. Now, what is this adverbs of degree or quantity? Adverbs of degree or quantity show how much. Show how much. Show how much or to what degree or to what degree a thing is done. A thing is done. We are doing the 5th kind of adverb, adverbs of degree or quantity. They show how much or to what degree a thing is done. Now, the question that you need to answer, your examples are, we'll give you some examples. Before that, to the sentence, you need to ask questions. Okay, what are the questions that you will ask? The questions that you ask, there are 2 questions. First of all, how much? How much? To the sentences, you need to ask the question to find out how much. Another one is, to what degree? To what degree? So we have 2 here. Another question is, to what degree? To what? So there are 2 types of questions here. To what degree? So 2 questions to be asked to the adverbs of degree or quantity. You have 2 questions before you settle down and find out what kind of adverb this is. Now the examples for you are, the first example I have here is, he is entirely deaf. He is. He is entirely. Is entirely deaf. Next we have here is, the bag is almost full of books. The bag is almost full of books. Next we have here is, she is quite right. She is. She is quiet. Quite right. She's quite right. And next we have it, he was partly wrong. He was partly wrong. He was partly wrong. Next we have, he was very tired. Or you can say she was. She was very tired. I am extremely sorry. I am extremely sorry. The old woman is very sick. The old woman is very sick. He is quite strong. He is quite strong. All right, let's look at all these words we have here. What's an adverb? Adverb is a word which modifies or add meaning to a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. And we have 6 different kinds of adverbs. 4 are done for you, and the 5th one is adverbs of degree or quantity. Now, what is an adverb of degree or quantity? An adverb of degree or quantity show how much or to what degree a thing is done. So, in this adverbs of degree or quantity, you can ask 2 questions. How much or to what degree a thing is done. The examples I have here is, he is entirely deaf. He is deaf. He is entirely deaf. To what degree is deaf? Entirely. Stone deaf. So, entirely is an adverb of degree. Now, the bag is almost full of books. The bag is almost full of books. Now, how much? How many books are there? Almost full. So, almost. She is quite right. To what degree she is right? Not fully, quite right, a little bit. Okay, quite right. He was partly wrong. To what degree is wrong? It's not fully wrong, but partly wrong. She was very tired. How much tired is she? See, she is very tired. She is tired. How much? A little tired? Very tired. She is exhausted. I am sorry. To what degree are you sorry? Extremely, not a little bit. I am extremely sorry. The old woman is sick. To what degree she is sick? She is very sick. Very sick. He is quite strong. He is strong. How much? How strong is he? What's the degree of strength? Very strong. He's quite strong. Now, so in adverbs of degree, you can ask 2 questions. How much or to what degree a thing is done? He is entirely deaf. How deaf? How much? Completely. To what degree? Completely. Entirely. The bag is full of books. How much books are there? How many books are there? Almost full of books. She is right. Is she fully right? To what degree she is right? She is right, quite right, slightly right. He is partly wrong. To what degree is wrong? Half right. Partly wrong, partly right. She was very tired. She is tired. How much tired she is? How? To what degree she is tired? She is tired, very tired. I am extremely sorry. To what degree she is sorry? She is sorry extremely. The old woman. How? To what degree the old woman is sick? She is very, very, very sick. And then he is strong. Is slightly strong? Little bit? No. To what degree? Is quite strong. He can carry anything. So we have words like words like entirely. Entirely. Then we have quiet, almost, almost. Then we have partly. We have very, extremely, extremely, and then quiet and very again. So we are now looking at the fifth kind of adverb, that's adverb of degree or quantity, which shows how much or to what degree a thing is done. So we can ask two questions here, how much or to what degree. So we have words like entirely, quite, almost, partly, very, extremely. To these words, if you ask question, then we can identify adverbs of degree or quantity. He is deaf, entirely deaf. The bag is full of books, almost full. She is right, quite right. He was wrong, partly wrong. She was tired, very tired. I am sorry, extremely sorry. The old woman is sick, very sick. And he is strong, quite strong, not little bit. So the words entirely, quite, almost, partly, very, extremely, all these words help us to answer the question, how much, to what degree the person is deaf or whatever. Then we know these are adverbs of degree or quantity.